In today's video, we're going to talk about a plant that has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries and has gained respect among scientists. Also, not just human beings like it. Felines also get euphoric when they come in contact with this plant. It is an herb that produces pink flowers, and its extract is mainly used as a natural tranquilizer. But its benefits don't end there. It helps you sleep better. As we have already said, this plant is considered to be a powerful natural sedative due to its relaxing and sedative properties and ability to stimulate and cause sleep. Its ability to treat insomnia was even confirmed by studies. It combats anxiety and stress. This herb is extremely beneficial for people suffering from anxiety. Research has shown that its root stimulates a compound in our brains that helps regulate our nerve cells and relieves anxiety. Since it helps control anxiety and improve sleep quality, it's also beneficial for people who are suffering from stress. It relieves menstrual cramps. One of the worst problems women face during their menstrual cycle is cramps. Research has shown that the root of this medicinal plant has antispasmodic properties that can calm the severe uterus contractions that cause pain to women. It can help you lose weight. Everyone wants to eat sweets after going through a stressful time, right? It's a known fact that certain foods like chocolate can bring immediate relief, providing a quick sensation of pleasure for our brain. This is the reality of most of the people who end up overeating or making bad choices because of stress and anxiety. In this sense, the plant can help a lot of people stop eating out of compulsion and thus lose weight. It decreases blood pressure. The active compounds in this plant also contribute to the regulation of our blood pressure. In addition to avoiding hypertension, keeping our blood pressure down decreases our chances of developing heart problems. But what is this plant after all? We're talking about valerian, a plant that can be consumed through tea or supplements. Here's how you make the tea. You'll need 1 teaspoon of minced valerian root and stem, boiling water. Start by placing the boiling water inside a teacup. Add the valerian and let it steep for 5 minutes. Then just strain it and drink your tea. Before using this root, make sure you aren't hypersensitive to any of its components. Pregnant women and people with liver problems should avoid it. Its use can also cause side effects in some people, apart from drowsiness. It's recommended that people who have consumed valerian tea or herbal supplements refrain from driving or doing activities that require attention soon thereafter. When in doubt, consult a professional you trust before consuming valerian. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.